What features should be mentioned about poolease X2, cordless pool cleaner robot? Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Powerful technological core. The poolease X2 pool cleaner uses 4-axis gyroscope tech and 8 precision sensors for 95% cleaning coverage. It has the industry's toughest motor shaft at HRC 4.5 hardness, offering superior wear resistance and a lifespan extension of 60%. Pool cleaning efficiency improved by 95%. Poolease X2 pool cleaner features a dual motor design, which boasts a 50% longer lifespan compared to single motor products. The enlarged dual suction inlet design, paired with a 45-watt high-power motor, effortlessly picks up sand, hair, and leaves from the pool. With a large 2 liters capacity, it can hold more debris. Durable and safe. It incorporates 9-dimensional safety protections, with special materials ensuring a longer product lifespan. Electrical safety protections effectively guarantee usage safety, and high precision, where resistant sealing rings achieve industry-leading waterproofing standards. Easy to use. Simply hold down the button to start the machine and place it in the pool, where it will begin cleaning. Once the cleaning task is complete, it will automatically dock at the poolside. The retrieval hook allows for easy recovery of the machine, and water can be used to clean out the debris inside effortlessly. Usage scenarios. Suitable for both above-ground and in-ground pools with a flat bottom, it covers a cleaning area of 538 square feet in a single 60-minute cycle and requires only 2.5 hours to fully charge. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.